How to change search engine in Metamask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the search engine. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. So this is the settings interface. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this general option. Tap on general. So here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option called search engine. Simply tap on it. So here's a drop down. Here, you'll be able to see two different options. Google and DuckDuckGo. So both of them have their own benefits and disadvantages. So select the one that you like. Here I'm selecting DuckDuckGo, and now if you go back, it's all set. So you can refresh the app and the search engine will be completely changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.